Dragonite has dropped off, not just the booster box, but 5 booster packs as well. So to celebrate release day, of course we have to open up all 5 of them right now. Be stupid not to, wouldn't it? Pack number 2. I mean, we still have 3 more packs. There's got to be a hit in at least one of them, right? Woo! Not the Rabombi that we want, but that illustration rare is amazing. This is one of the cards that I wanted from the set the most, to be honest. I'm happy with that. Not the Rabombi that we want, but... So, that was the pack before. That was the pack we just opened. I would say last pack magic, but we don't need it. Whale Lord. And Lily's Rabombi. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like what you see, please make sure you like and follow for more. Peace.